Hello and welcome back to Skill Web. In this video, I will show you how to convert a web page to PDF. So let's have a look now. Go to the website that you want to convert into PDF. Now right click on your mouse and click on print. It will open up the print box. Click on this arrow and select save as PDF. Under the page section, select all, or you can select a specific page. And in the layout section, choose whether you want landscape or portrait. Now click on save, enter your PDF file's name and click on save. Okay, here you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.